Let's make this pom-pom heart in just a couple of minutes with all Dollar Tree items. Have you been seeing these cute pom-pom hearts in all the retail shops? Well, let's make it really easily with just a couple of minutes, a couple of items, a little bit of patience, and a great song list. I picked colors that I liked, but you can do anything. I went with a deep red, pink, and white, just alternated, picked a pattern, sometimes messed up that pattern, doesn't really matter. In the end, all of the colors come together perfectly. I really enjoy making boho for my shop, and that's what I intend to use this for as my next boho make, but tell me in the comments how you intend on using yours. Round and around, repeat the pattern. That's why I said, make sure you have some patience, and a really good song list isn't that bad either. And here you have the finished look, a pom-pom heart, and all Dollar Tree items. Follow me for more.